Who else? I'm not talking to Snoring Squeege, bro.
You're talking to Snoring Squeege.
No, I'm not. Jace doesn't fucking talk. I will jitter this.
I will jitter.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this smelly Bandai guy, I don't really understand it. I'm just gonna put all of his FPSs I don't know because it doesn't.
No, don't say I don't know. Default is 240.
Oh my god. I don't know. So much. 3,000.
Oh my god, alternating is evil. I keep dying right at the ending of this piece of crap level. Oh my god! New rule, alternating has to go. Okay, I died to the last frame you could die on.
Alternating is now going to become the leader of the list.
I died to the last frame you could die on. I got 87. Takes already owns that. Why don't you just learn to alt jitter? Oh my goodness, bro. I knew I should have learned alternating first. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm only learning this because there's so many list points to be gained from alternating. Look how many list points I have. Okay, I've noticed I've gotten a little bit more consistent. Come on, bro. Goodies. Oh, I beat it! I beat it! I beat it! Yes, my first actual 60 spam level. I celebrated harder than that than when that was a pretty hard celebration.
Yeah.
I'll have to add my record for scrolly clicky because I have it on video. I already beat spam meter. Can't do any of the some dude cap stuff. Already did TS2 that. Impossible spam. I'm not. Hex spam. Nah.
Wait, dude, also, I'm really confused. Where is easiest spam of all time on this list? There are two of them. And one has no records, and one has no text.
Yeah, the one with no records, and one with no text, delete them.
They delete both of them?
Yeah.
Okay, this guy is list grinding. I'm gonna put this on you. I'm gonna put the responsibility of adding levels on you. I already have it.
Excuse me?
All the other ones.
By the way, it's your job as a list helper or list mod to fucking add stuff. Listen, yeah, it's your job to, I don't know, add stuff.
Oh, sorry, it's on you. Sorry.
Excuse you?
But good luck. I have everything else. All the other videos I added.
I'm sorry, what?
Easiest spam by Ango. He just never added any text.
Alright, let me play freaking, I know Squeege Challenge. The ID for Squeege Challenge is game over.
Alright, I deleted.
Yeah, no, we're not doing that, bro. Why not just get a notification?
Alright, deleted easiest spam.
Yeah, the ID for Squeege Challenge is fucking game over.
And now I'm gonna delete easiest spam post. Actually, I don't know if I let me
Squeege Challenge. CLJ broken, here we go. This isn't frame perfect spam, right? Oh, okay, I got through half of it first attempt.
What? I deleted easiest spam. Why is it not deleted? File cannot be edited. Yeah, because it's deleted. It doesn't count again. Wait, 2 5.
Okay, I can get like halfway through every attempt, but no further. I guess, bro. Red unpatchable. Yellow unpatchable. No.
No, I added yellow unpatchable.
I know. Oh, I just like I don't fucking play it.
Oh yeah.
This level's luck based.
Yeah, it is kind of luck based. No, it's not luck based. It's great based, but I did get lucky.
Oh my goodies. Yeah, I'm not good at alternating. Oh my goodness, bro. There's too much freaking I need to learn how to alternating crap. I need to learn how to alternating. Oh no.
I need to learn how to alternate spam.
I need to learn how to alternate. Yes. Tragically, yes. The fuck is fairy dust spam?
Oh my gosh, dude, that one was amazing. You have to look at it.
What the goodies?
It's so good.
This is some ILL bullshit.
It's an amazing level. You should play it. It isn't really that hard.
Master ass?
No, it's like Aftermath, but it's...
But the ending is a mini wave. What the goodies?
The ending was always a mini wave. It's paper guide, you know. kind of easy-ish.
What
I
the
love.
goodies, bro?
It's the end of Aftermath, but Miniwave, and that was Paper Got John, and I loved it.
Oh, goodies, 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 goodies,
Wait, yeah,
goodies.
I didn't Elementary for noise too.
Friggin'
Yeah.
yeah, I have no idea. I guess I'll play more. Wait, hold on. How long has this video been going for? 10 minutes.